So, welcome back to another hot day in the potting shed. As you can see, that says it's currently 35 degrees and it's not been any cooler than about 16 or 17. So just reset that and leave it. The reason for the video is we have the first ripening tomatoes. Now you can see that one is probably ripe, and I noticed there were a couple of others. I'm really impressed. It's been 7.5 weeks since these were planted out into their troughs, and there's some more there. So I think we're probably came up very easily. Do a taste test, don't you think? So there you go. First tomato from the potting shed. Good. Yep. Probably could do with being a little bit riper, but cracking.